Hey everyone, it's Alex from Hannemann Ironworks here, and today I'll be making a fork. So as you can see here, I just have some scrap rebar. It used to be an old drift, though it didn't work too well, but that's what it used to be. And then I made, if you guys saw the last video, I made this amazing, pretty awesome troll cross. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Link in the top right. Make sure you go check that video out. I had a lot of fun making it. Made a few of them before, but you know, that one was pretty cool. So I'm gonna take the rest of this rebar and I'm gonna make a fork. I want to make like a eating fork, just to kind of make a fork. I don't know. I was kind of bored, and I have the fire going, and it's supposed to rain in a few hours, in like an hour or two. And I figured, a fork doesn't take that long, so I'm gonna make a fork. So I'm gonna heat the front end up, flatten it, and I'm gonna cut it down, and I'm gonna refine kind of this back edge. I don't want it to look too much like rebar. So there's like 5 or 6 giant toads over here, and they're doing something interesting. But yeah, I'll make a fork. Lunch has arrived. I'm gonna take a quick break, keep the fire going, and eat my lunch. I'll be back. Hey guys, so I ate my lunch and I kind of sort of forgot to press record, and it's been, I don't know, probably 5-10 minutes, and This is kind of what it's looking like so far. I fixed the back end. It kind of had a rough kind of cut on it from when I cut it off. But it's kind of how it's looking. I squared up this side and this side, and I'm gonna give it a big twist because I think twisted rebar will look cool, and I don't want to, go back and forge all the rebar out. So give that a try. Heat the center up, lock in the vise, give it a twist. Excuse me. Alright guys, so there's the twist. I think it looks pretty cool. Got the opposite pattern on the rebar because, twisted it. Now I'm going to just finish up these forks, just like rearrange them right in the spot I want them. And then I'm going to kind of coat this back section. I'm going to take an angle grinder, or actually I'm going to take some sandpaper. I'm going to clean up these, the little prongs in the fork so you can actually use it. And then I'm going to coat them in some kind of vegetable oil or mineral oil, or something safe to eat with, and not like, like the Johnson's Paste Wax or whatever. So, yeah, get working on the forks and finish it up. Alright guys, so there's the finished fork. I'm gonna coat the back end with some canola oil. Actually, I'm gonna do it with boiled linseed oil, sorry. Linseed oil on the back. I'm gonna leave like this front section where it could, be in my mouth. Leave that off. I'm gonna clean it up with sandpaper, and I'm gonna coat it in like mineral oil and spirits and whatever. Yeah, so treat it like a cast iron pan almost. I'm sure there's videos on doing that. I don't necessarily know proper way to do it, so don't take my word for it. Go find someone else professional like Black Bear Forge or Christ Iron Ironworks. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do, but doesn't mean that's what you should do. Go check out a professional. So see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching. Please drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.